Hey Brandon, it's Michael. Okay, so I opened up your Excel spreadsheet here, and you'll see that there's a plus and a 1 in front of your phone number. So what you need to do is go File, and then Save As, and then Browse. And then it's going to bring up your files here. So I just go to Desktop. Sorry, my computer's moving slow. Okay, so Desktop, and then instead of a CSV file, you want to save it as a TXT, tab delimited. So you want to save it as that, and then hit save. Okay, so now save. Okay, so now let's get out of, let's open, come in here and go File, File, and then Open, and then go to Browse, and then Desktop, and then you want to come down and go Open All Files. So Excel, you want to go up to the top and All Files. Okay, so there's your text file. So we're gonna try to open that up in Excel. Let's see, File. Let's try it again. Let me go to a new. Okay, so then File, and then Open, and then Browse, and then Desktop, and there you go. Okay, so here it's open, right? It's going to open. And what you want to do is you want to select Fix Width, and then hit Next. Oh, you might want to come down here and fix, yeah, so go Next. And then right here is where you can separate it with a line. So I find the line, the space that I need, so right there. And then Finish. Okay, so now you can see I've separated the columns, or the plus and the 1 out of your single column into 2 columns. So then I'm going to go to A, right here, and then right click, and then hit delete. There. Now I need to go and finish the word phone. And widen this a little bit. And then save this, File, Save As, Browse, Desktop, and come over here and save it as a CSV. So CSV, comma, delimited, and save. And that's it. That's all you need to do, and then just upload it into your account. So if you got any other questions, just give me a call. I'll talk to you later. Bye.